How to create a Hi5 account. So if you want to create a Hi5 account, then first make sure you have a stable internet connection and then open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar, search for Hi5, and on the first search you will have hi5.com. Click on that and it will directly take you to the register page. But if you already have an account, then you can click on here, sign in, which is on the upper right corner, and then you can log in or sign in to your account with email, or you can also sign in with Google or Facebook. But if you don't have an account, then come over here, and now you have to enter your name, and after entering your name you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address, next you have to create a password. Make sure to create a strong password, and after creating the password, on the next you have to enter your city, and now you have to enter your date of birth, and after entering that, here you have to choose your gender. And now after entering all of this information, you can click on sign up, and now you have to add a photo, or you can also click on maybe later. Click on skip. And now to complete your registration, you have to enter the code which Hi5 has sent to your email address, and after entering that code here, you can click on confirm, and that's it. That's how you create your Hi5 account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.